Good morning guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Nogwazi Ntombela, also known as Wazibe. On all social media platforms, do subscribe, be a part of this family, and if you're returning sub, welcome back darling. We are on day 12 of the $1,000 challenge, and guys, I'm gonna attempt to do something that I've never done before. I'm gonna attempt to make Amagwinya. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but let's go try it together. I'm gonna get a recipe off of YouTube or Google, and we're gonna attempt this, okay?
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad.
That situation, Amagwinya guys, it didn't go according to plan, okay? It didn't go the way I expected it. Don't get me wrong, they tasted good, all right? They tasted good, but amanye on the inside, they were not fully cooked. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how that came about, because I mean, did you see how brown those magwinyas were? Did you guys see how brown they were on the outside? I thought they were burning, and then ngaphakathi awekho 100%, and I'm just like, kwenzakaleni? But because I'm not a failure, it's okay. I am going to attempt them again tomorrow. I'm obviously not going to post like a video. I'm going to include it in my vlog only if they actually come out nice. But yeah, that's the recipe. Hopefully you guys can get it right if you use it. But yeah, Amagwinya, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Duh.